Hello my dear student, welcome back on my YouTube channel uniquestudy.com, and today we are talking about the topic preposition. You can see on your screen there is the title of the topic preposition. First we know about the means of preposition, and then definition, and then the kinds of the preposition, and there are a lot of the words that were the used in a preposition. So let's start the video and know more thing about the preposition. First we talking about the means of the preposition. Okay, so this preposition words made by two words, pre and position. Okay, pre means before and position means place. It means some of the words that use before the noun or pronoun. Okay, we can place the preposition word before the noun or pronoun to show the relation between the other words. So these type of the words, okay, these type of the words will be the preposition words. Okay, you can see here the definition of preposition: a word that shows place, position, time or movement. Okay, it is the show, place, position, time, movements. Okay, all these things show by the relation in which noun or pronoun. Clear? So simply we can say that some of the words are group of words that show the relation between noun or pronoun to other word in a sentence. It's simple definition of the preposition. It's clear? So you can see here it is the definition of the preposition. So preposition is only a word. Preposition is only a word. What kind of the word? It is the word that was the used pre-place. Okay, used pre-place. It means before the place of noun or pronoun to show the relation. Okay, to show the relation between other word to the other word in a sentence. You can see some of the examples of the preposition like she is coming into the room. It is the example of the preposition. So here is the she, and she is a noun word, and here is the room. Room word is the noun word. So she coming into the room. Where is she coming? She coming into the room. So this room connected to the this room related to the she. Okay, she is a pronoun word, and it is the tell us. This word is tell us about the place of the this pronoun words. Okay, where is the she? She is a into the room. So this word that was the represent of the place of the noun. So these words will be the preposition. Take another example. Ravi reads a book on the chair. Okay, here is the Ravi. Ravi is a noun word, and he reads a book. Okay, he reads a book. Where he reads a book? He reads a book on the chair. Okay, on the chair. So here the chair related to the word Ravi. So on word will be the on word, a word that was the relate to first noun to another noun in a sentence. So we can simply say that preposition is only a word that the show relation between noun or pronoun to other word in a sentence. Clear? So now we have to know kinds of the preposition. In a part of speech you have to know more of the part of the speech like a noun, pronoun, and all of them has a sub part of the noun or pronoun. Same as the preposition also has a some of the kinds or types. Okay, you can see here. First is the simple preposition. Okay, simple preposition word. What kind of the simple preposition? Simple preposition is a one word preposition. that was the use in a sentence is a simple way, like after, at, by, in, after, at, by, in, etc. are the simple preposition word that was the use in a general way in a sentence. Okay. Next is the compound sentence, compound preposition. It is the compound preposition. What is the compound preposition? A preposition that made by the adding a or b. Okay, by adding a or b. So it will be along, above, between, etc. Or these types of the preposition will be compound preposition. Okay, some of the words that adding by the a or b, these type of the word that was adding by a or b and make a new words like a long, add by a. Okay, OV, add by ab. So these type of the preposition word will be the compound preposition. It's clear? Now next we will be talking about the double preposition made of two words. Okay, double preposition made of the two words. Some of the example of the double preposition like a out of, among, from, etc. are the preposition known as the double preposition. Why? Because it made up of the two words. Okay, so it will be the double preposition. Clear? Now next is the participial preposition. Participial preposition means a present participle form of the verb ending in ing form. So it will be the participial preposition. For example, regard. Regard, when we add ing with the regard, okay, then it will be regarding. Okay, regarding is the participial preposition and same as consider, bearing. Okay, etc. are the preposition known as the participial preposition. Next we will be talking about the phrasal preposition. What is the means of phrasal preposition? Phrasal preposition is a group of words used as a single preposition. Okay, and before the words and ending of the words, when we use before the word or ending of the word as a preposition word, that type of the verb is called, that type of the words will be a phrasal preposition. For example, along with, by the way. Okay, by the way, by the way of. Okay, by the way of, along with, according to, in case of, etc. all these type of the preposition. Okay, so simply you know about that some of the kinds of the preposition. Simple preposition, some when we use a preposition word in a simple way in a sentence, that is called simple preposition. Second is the compound preposition, when we add some of the words with the help of a and b and make a new preposition word, that is the known as the compound preposition. Double preposition, when we add two words in a two preposition words and make a preposition, so these word will be the double preposition. Participial preposition, I think you know in your previous classes about the infinitive. Okay, participle, etc. are the verbs, and here the some when we add ing form or the gerund word with the sum of the words and make a participial preposition. Okay, and in the phrasal preposition, like we make a, when we write some of the words and start with the preposition and end with the preposition, these type of the words will be the phrasal preposition. Like in case of, before the case you can see word the preposition word, and after the case you can see the of words. So both are the preposition word, and these preposition words make a phrasal preposition words. Okay, so I hope you all understand about the preposition. Okay, so let's know more thing about the preposition, some of the important word of the preposition that was the necessary for all for of us. Okay, so let's know some of the important preposition. First we have to know about the let and in. Okay, at and in both are the preposition commonly used in a sentence in a different way. So first we know where we can use at preposition and where we can use in preposition. We use in preposition, we are talking about a place as a area. We use at when we see it as a point. Okay, for example, we stayed in a we stay in a we stay in a Singapore. We stay in a Singapore for two week. Okay, for 2 weeks. And next is our plane landed at Bhopal. Our plane landed at Bhopal. Okay, our plane landed at Bhopal. So here the we use in the when we are talking about a place. Here the place Singapore. So we are talking about the place Singapore. So we can use here in. Okay, and where is use it? We use at which we see it as a point, like a at. Here the at point of the Bhopal. So it is the difference between the in and at. Clear? And wherever a large area, we can use a large area or a small area. With the large area, we can always use the in preposition, and if the area is small and it is the small part of the large area, there we can use the at preposition. You can see here a simple example like he lives at Hastinapur, okay, in Haryana. Here is a simple example of the preposition. In this you can know both preposition, like he lives at Hastinapur. Hastinapur is a small part of the Haryana. So it is the referred a small part. Before this small parts we can use at preposition, and if the area is a big like a Haryana, so we have to use the in preposition. And same as if here is the country, mention the country name and there is a part of the country, so we can use at before the part of country, and if we can write a country name, then here is the use in. Okay, so in and at both are referred to the areas. Okay, small areas we can use at, and if the area is a big, then we can use in. I hope you all understand it, and in the next part we have to learn more about the preposition words that is necessary for us. So I think this is enough for you for today. So let's next video we have to talking about the part of the preposition. Here